I let you in on a secret. You might be able to figure it out on your own, but not everyone does. Over the years, many have bought into it without even knowing.
The world's most thoroughly smoked.
They tell us stories to make us feel good. Time goes by, people change, but it's still there. The same old story. It might just look different. They even try to make it sound like they have healthier alternatives. They use unseen strategies with dark agendas. And every year, 8 million people enter an early grave. But the real secret is that it doesn't end there. The industry persists. It grows aggressively, like the diseases it causes. And every year, it creates 8 million new gaps in the market. And it doesn't care who fills them. Even if it's
someone like me.
The tobacco industry is targeting children and adolescents to replace the 8 million people their products kill each year. Speak out. Tobacco exposed.